Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with an updated video on this settlement crack that I filled in over a year ago. And as you can see, it did a good job of filling it in, but eventually the outer edge will show through again once the mortar has a chance to go ahead and dry and set. So obviously this was a temporary fix, but you can see in the meantime that my goal was to prevent weeds and grass and stuff from growing in there, and so far so good. It's doing that job. And yeah, like that stress joint right there, or relief joint that they put there, was not deep enough. So obviously once this walkway settled, the crack actually happened right there, and I don't know if that was the help of a tree that I used to have back here behind it as well. So eventually what I'll do is probably just cut out this whole section right here, just saw it right down on that one all the way to this other one, which I guess was actually deep enough, and it actually cracked. And I think, yeah, when that tree that used to be right there was there, the roots came all the way over here and started lifting up on this, and this gave, which it did exactly what I was supposed to, which is crack right inside the joint. So this one I might end up just cleaning out later on, or when I go ahead and rip up this whole section, just redo it and tie it into this one here by putting what they call an expansion joint right there, one there, and then one right here as well. So these two, this one and this one, will be independent of each other, so it can move up and down. Since I don't have any more trees here, I wouldn't have to worry about it, as long as I put down a good base and then put in some rebar mesh as well. So this one here that I filled in as well, it actually, like I said, these joints were probably deeper, so the crack was there. And then this one here, same thing, the crack actually ended up staying right where they put it. So this side is still pretty good. The only thing I'll have to do here is just pressure wash this whole section, and then blend it in. I might even decide to go ahead and either put some concrete paint on it, or eventually just go with the, what do they call that? It's like it looks like brick, but it's only like a 1/2 inch thick, and just do the whole thing to cover it, make it look nice. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what the temporary repair looks like a year plus later, probably a year and a half. But as always, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and also hit the bell notification button to get up and coming notifications of when I upload new videos. Alright guys, thanks, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.